If you're looking for a luxurious $1 million home with some acreage, away from the city, by the river, 5 minutes from a golf course, then come check out this amazing house on Riverfront Drive. I'm at the end of a cul-de-sac. It's a very quiet cul-de-sac surrounded by other $1 million homes. And this one right behind me has 7 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, a huge bonus room, and it's on an acre. I'm going to give you an amazing tour of this house, but also the neighborhood leading up to this house to see if this is something that you would be interested in moving to or living in the Idaho Falls area. You ready? Let's go. As always, let's start with the commute to this beautiful neighborhood north of town. You'll drive north along the river for a little while. It turns into Riverside and then it turns into 5th West. And what's cool about this location is, as you just saw, it's a boat access to the Snake River. And then this part that I'm driving on is 5th West, and it's lined with trees and homes that are spread out. It definitely feels like the country, and it's only 10 minutes from downtown Idaho Falls and only 5 minutes from the Sage Lakes golf course. This house right here we also have for sale for about $2.7 million, and it is actually on the river. Something to also keep in mind if you're in that much higher budget. That house is absolutely stunning, over 5,000 square feet, and like I said, with river access. Here's a few more houses leading up to the one that we'll give a tour. I love how spread out everything is around here because you can have neighbors and yet feel very much far away from everything else. And now we're at Riverfront Drive, which turns into this cul-de-sac, and this home right here is also for sale for $1.6 million. It's a little bit of a smaller house on a much bigger lot. So there's lots of options in this beautiful, quiet neighborhood. Okay, now you've seen the neighborhood. You ready to go inside? Let's check it out. As you enter this beautiful home, you're first greeted by this grand entryway. It's very wide, hardwood floors. And then to the left is a formal front room, could be a music room, could be a formal dining room, an office. It has many, many purposes. This one was just used as a formal music and sitting area. And as you can tell, this whole grand entry, you have got a closet there, tall ceilings. It's quite wide. And then to the right over there, we'll check out that half bath and master. But first, let's give you a little sneak peek of this beautiful open concept living room and kitchen. And there's got to be at least 20-foot ceilings here to accommodate for that bonus area upstairs. You know what? I just realized this is not a half bath. It's a full bathroom right here. Typically, something like this for guests is usually half bath, but you have a shower and a bathtub in there, which is super cool, just on the outside of this master bedroom suite. So if your spouse is using this bathroom, you have another bathroom right outside your bedroom door, which is super cool. You also have an access to this amazing 1-acre property. This is your first covered patio and a little sneak peek of that amazing backyard. This bedroom is quite large, as you can tell. This is a king-size bed and plenty of space on the end of it on either side. And then over here to the left is a very large walk-in closet with shelving all the way up to the ceiling. And it's got multiple levels for multiple sizes of clothing, plus 3 windows to provide a lot of natural light and areas for your shoes. I love that it also has a door to enclose that space off. Here is your master bathroom, which is super luxurious. I love that it has 2 sinks, such a must when you have a spouse, plus this walk-in shower with a glass door, toilet area, and beautiful large bathtub. All right, let's go check out the highlight of this home, and that is this amazing kitchen and living space. Upon entering the kitchen, here on the left is a pantry. It's not a walk-in pantry, but it's a decent size pantry with plenty of shelves. This kitchen also has ample counter space and cupboards throughout, so I don't think a butler's pantry or walk-in pantry is necessary with how many drawers and cupboards there are here. There is a gas range stove, which is very popular these days. A lot of people are asking for that. Double oven, perfect for the holidays or big families, so you can cook more efficiently efficiently. And look how large this dining space is. It actually, I would say that's a 6-foot table and definitely has room for an 8 or even 10-foot table easily. Into the living room, we pass so many beautiful windows. We've got 4 large windows providing all of this natural light in here. And again, these are 18 to 20 foot ceilings in that area. This area is unique because it's almost like another master suite, although it's ADA friendly. So this will accommodate for someone with disabilities or who need wheelchair access. A large walk-in shower with handles everywhere that goes all the way around to this room and to the other side where the laundry room is, with a very wide door as well, again, accommodating for wheelchairs. Over here around the corner is the laundry room, mud room, and here's the half bath I've been talking about, and access to the outdoors as well. I like this mud room with all these cabinets. Great for coming in and kind of unloading or calling it a drop zone. Here's another little sneak peek of that side yard. And then let's check out this half bath. So this is great. So if you're rushing in from the outside, this is just a really great place to wash your hands and stop for a bio break. And then to the right here is your 3-car garage, which is quite large. As you can tell, there's a ramp here. So again, wheelchair accessible. It does have a heater, so you can have a heated shop in there as well. All right, let's go all the way upstairs first before we check out the basement. So first, we'll check out this bonus area. It's just another living room or sitting area that overlooks that other grand living room. And then to the right, you could consider this a bedroom if you put in a wardrobe in here. They're using it as a workout area. It's just another space. Could be a craft room, a hobby room. But I think for me, I would put in a little dresser and call it a guest bedroom, because then your guests can have a whole area up here. Past another closet, and then this whole bonus section is above the garage. So it is quite large. Loads of light from these windows, these little nooks here to store toys or crafts. For me, if I had this, I would make it a homeschool room, but it's also a great place just for hanging out. Down in the basement, we'll pass some storage areas, and then this is your first look of another huge family room. You can fit quite a large TV here. This one isn't as large as it could accommodate. And over here is your first basement bedroom. It does have a large egress window and a walk-in closet. And everything looks so pristine. When I was walking around here, the house smells new, the carpet feels new. I absolutely love it. This space is another recreational space. I think it could also be converted into a movie theater. It's kind of that perfect space for that. It also has a door to the cold storage. Past the windows, which is very similar to the upstairs, we have another closet here you could use for linens or a game closet. Every room was quite spacious in this house with ample closet space. I was quite impressed, actually, and I love these neutral colors that can look good with cool tones or warm tones. And then through here is another full bathroom. This is the second largest bathroom in the house with a shower, toilet area, tub, a very large vanity that goes into this other room that they used for both of their daughters, which I thought was perfect because daughters could share the large vanity, the large bathroom, and be close to one another. Over here was another good size bedroom. Again, the furniture that they have in here is quite large. This was a queen bed, some decent sized dressers and drawers to give you an idea how large the space actually is. Another very full size bathroom, large vanity, shower, tub combo, another closet for storage. This place, if you're looking for space, this definitely has it. Now let's check out the outside. I wanted to show you a little bit of the driveway here and how deep it is. You can park some extra toys here on the side. And then their landscaping, they have taken care of this very, very well. Everything looked good. It smelt good. It looked very, very clean. Every plant and flower and tree seemed to be placed perfectly with precision. Like, it was just immaculate. I love that access to the covered patio. It is also wheelchair accessible with a ramp there that connects both decks. You've got a trampoline, in-ground trampoline, and a basketball court. And of course, you can see all of these trees providing extra privacy and a scenic backyard. Well, that's it for this amazing home tour at Riverfront Drive. This home is listed at $995,000. Again, it's 7 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. It's on an acre lot in a quiet neighborhood. It is absolutely spectacular. If you're interested in this home or any other home in the Eastern Idaho area, my name is Annika Wilder. I'm a local realtor here in the Eastern Idaho region. If you're thinking about moving here next week or next year, just give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. All my information is in the description below. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you soon. Bye. If you're new to my channel and you want to know all there is to know about life in Idaho Falls or the surrounding area, including real estate, things to do here, the weather, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and you'll be the first to know about all things life in Idaho Falls.